In today's video, I am gonna show you how to download and install Skype on your Windows laptop or PC. First of all, click on Windows Start menu, then search here Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store search bar, search for Skype. Press enter. Here as you see Skype application, just click on that. Now to download and install Skype on your Windows laptop, just click on this get button. Wait few moments to download and install Skype on your computer. Once install done, click on open. You can also open Skype from Windows Start menu. Just click on Windows Start menu, then search here Skype. Here as you see Skype application. To open Skype application, just click on this application. To use Skype on your Windows computer, log in your Skype account. Now you can use Skype application on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.